Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the display name in line. Now let us begin. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well, so worry not. Now let us simply look at how to change the display name. At the top right, you can see the settings button right here, right next to the add friend icon. Click on it right now. Once you guys do that, the settings page will open up. As you can see, there are lots of options. But right now, all you guys need to do is click on this button called as profile. Click on it, and guys, that's it. From here, you can add your profile avatar, the cover, and also here it is, the thing we are looking for, that is display name. Click on it right now. And that is it, guys. You can simply change your display name just like that. As you guys can see, I am doing it right now. Once it's okay with you, simply click on save. And that's it, guys. That's how we change the display name. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.